In front of me is Motorola Edge 70, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Now here what most people miss. Instead of looking here, you need to click on Connection Preferences instantly and scroll to hit Printing, available under Cast. Now tap on Default Print Service or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they turn on the same way, so click on yours. Make sure this switcher is green and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect though, enable Print Service and wait for those three dots at the top right corner to show. When they do, click on them and tap on Add Printer. Now, if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, use this switcher to activate it. Tap on Allow and hit Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers. Then wait for your smartphone to find yours. Now tap on Add Printer by IP address, input it here and select Add. This way you can connect to it manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!